Hi, I'm Lydia from BlindsbyPost, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your motorised blind with a Zigbee motor to your Somfy TaHoma Switch. Let's get started. To begin, download the TaHoma by Somfy app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. The app is available for free for iOS and Android devices. Before downloading, confirm your smartphone meets the minimum OS requirements listed in the App Store. Open the TaHoma app, select Start a new installation, then choose your box model, the Somfy TaHoma Switch. Connect your Somfy TaHoma Switch to a wall outlet using the supplied power cable. Wait for the LED on the top of the device to begin flashing blue. This may take up to 5 minutes. Once the LED is flashing blue, select Next in the app. You will be prompted to connect via Bluetooth for configuration. Allow Bluetooth access when requested. If the LED is not flashing blue, follow the on-screen troubleshooting steps in the app. Once detected, the app will begin the connection process and automatically search your available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Your Wi-Fi network must operate on 2.4 GHz and be password secured. Create a new Somfy account or log in if you already have one. The email address used must not already be associated with another TaHoma. Follow the remaining in-app instructions to complete activation. Once complete, your TaHoma Switch is ready to pair devices. Open the TaHoma app and navigate to My Home. Select Add Equipment. When prompted, select the brand of your product. The app will then ask if the blind has a remote control. For Zigbee motors, select No Remote Control. If you have a Zigbee remote, this can be added separately after pairing the motor. Next, choose Zigbee pairing to begin the connection process. You will then be prompted to scan the QR code. If your Zigbee blind includes a QR code, scan it using your smartphone camera when prompted. The QR code can typically be found near the antenna, on the motor itself, or on the back of the bottom bar of the roller blind. If you cannot locate the QR code, select the option to continue without scanning and proceed with manual pairing. Power on the Somfy Zigbee device, press and hold the programming button until the motor jogs or the LED indicator begins flashing. The jog or flashing light confirms the device is in the pairing mode. The TaHoma app will begin searching and automatically detect the product. Once detected, confirm the device, name it and assign it to a room. Your Zigbee device is now successfully paired and ready to be controlled, added to favourites or included in scenes and schedules. To add a Zigbee remote control, open the TaHoma app and navigate to My Home. Select Add Equipment, then choose Control. Select Somfy Remote, then choose Zigbee Remote. When prompted, scan the QR code located on the back of the remote handset using your smartphone camera. Next, press and hold the programming button on the back of the remote until you see 2 red flashing lights. This indicates the remote is in the discovery mode. Wait while the TaHoma Switch searches the device. This process usually takes around 1 minute. Once detected, confirm the remote in the app. You can rename it now or edit it later if needed. To view and manage your remote controls at any time, tap the 3 lines in the bottom right corner of the app and select My Remote Controls. On channel 1, you can select and link the motor you'd like the remote to control. And that's how easy it is to pair your Zigbee devices to your Somfy TaHoma Switch.